Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you will be able to download and install Sharex screen recorder in your laptop PC. So in order to install and download the Sharex screen recorder, you have to first open your Chrome browser, and here in the search bar you have to just type Sharex screen recorder, and once you type that, just press the enter button. Okay, and the first website will appear, get ShareX. So at either you click on this link, or you just click on this download. Just go with that download one. Okay, once you click on download, the website will open. So here you see the latest release version of the ShareX. Okay, you also, if you want to uh, download the other previous version, you can also do that. So we go with the latest one, so just click on that one, just click on it. Once you click on it, here you see the zip file setup and .exe window setup. Right now we are on the window, so we go with the first one, that one. Just go with setup.exe. So in order to download, we have to just click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you where you want to download this downloading directory. So we download in the I download in the download directory. So just click on save. Once you click on save, it is almost done. You see, it's just a 34 MB setup. So now in order to go to the downloading directory, just click on this folder icon. Once you click on it, you go to the directory where you install the setup ShareX. Okay. So now in order to install this, just double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will take a few seconds. Just wait. It will ask you for the window permission, so just at that point just click yes. Now we have to click on I accept the agreement and click the next button. Here it is asking where you want to install the KRX. So in by default, C directory is selected. If you want to change the installation path, just click on this browse button, and here you select the installation path according to your own. Okay, just click on OK. I leave it as it default. So just click on next button, and if you want to run the ShareX when the window will start, just leave it as it's checked. If you don't, just uncheck it. Okay. And if you want to create shortcut and upload the share button context menu in the Windows Start button, and send to shortcut also, you do all of that thing. Okay. uh, you can check uncheck according to your own what you prefer. Okay, just then click on the next button, and then click on install. Okay, once you click on the install button, it will start installing, and it will take a few seconds. So if you like, you think the video will helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. And here we see our ShareX is installed. Just we checked it as we launch it directly. So in order to launch or open it, just click on finish button, and it will automatically launch our ShareX. So just wait for it. Okay, here you see our ShareX screen recorder is launched, and it will first at the top it is showing us the hotkeys: control plus control plus print screen key for capture the region, print screen key capture entire region if you want to capture the full screen. These are the hotkeys. You also change it. Okay,